Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Imagine this for a second. You open 10 research papers, 3 YouTube tutorials, a bunch of PDFs, and after 4 hours, your brain is completely fried. Yeah, we've all been there. Now, what if one free AI tool could read everything for you, organize the information, explain difficult concepts, create presentations, and even turn your notes into a podcast? Sounds unreal, right? Well, that tool is NotebookLM. And honestly, most people are using only 5% of its real power. They think it's just a boring AI summarizer. Nice. But today, I'm going to show you 4 insanely powerful ways to use NotebookLM that can literally save you hours every single day. And trust me, method number 3 completely changes the game for students, creators, and researchers. All right, let's jump right into it. Okay, first mistake almost everyone makes. They upload a document, then type, "summarize this." And yeah, NotebookLM gives you a summary. Cool. But now watch this. Let me show you a crazy example for research papers. Imagine your topic is the impact of social media on mental health. Most people upload research papers into NotebookLM and ask, "summarize this." But instead, try this. Upload your sources, then use persona mode prompts like, "act like a psychology professor and review my arguments." "Act like a research journal reviewer." "Act like a mental health expert looking for weak evidence." "Act like a university thesis supervisor." Now the AI stops behaving like a boring summarizer and starts behaving like an actual expert. For example, you could ask, "review my research paper like a strict academic reviewer. Find weak arguments, biased claims, missing evidence, and areas that need stronger citations." Boom. Now NotebookLM might tell you things like, "your research is too one-sided," "your statistics are outdated," "you didn't include counterarguments," "your conclusion is weak," or "your sources are not academically strong enough." That's insanely useful. And here's the best part. Use a red team style prompt like, "act like someone trying to reject this research paper. Find every flaw, unsupported claim, logical weakness, and research gap." That's next level. Because now, instead of publishing weak work and getting criticized later, you're finding the problems before your teacher, professor, or reviewer does. Honestly, for students, researchers, and content creators, this alone can save hours of rewriting and corrections. 2. Skip long YouTube videos completely. All right, now let's talk about something painful. Watching a 45-minute tutorial just to learn one useful thing. Yeah, massive waste of time. Here's the smarter way. Step 1. Copy the YouTube video link. Step 2. Paste it into NotebookLM. Step 3. Ask for exactly what you need. Like, summarize only the important points. Create a step-by-step action plan. Give timestamps for key lessons. Turn this into study notes. And boom, you instantly remove all the fluff. Now, if you're a content creator, this becomes even crazier. You can analyze successful videos and ask NotebookLM to generate better hooks, improved outlines, video structures, or optimized scripts. So instead of guessing what works, you're learning directly from high-performing content. Honestly, that's a huge advantage. Okay, this is probably the most powerful feature. Most people upload one file at a time, but the real magic starts when you upload multiple sources together. Research papers, articles, PDFs, reports, notes, web pages. Just put everything into one notebook. Now, NotebookLM starts connecting ideas automatically. It can find contradictions, spot missing information, compare arguments, detect patterns, and highlight research gaps. And look, normally this process takes researchers days. Reading, highlighting, comparing, cross-checking. NotebookLM can do a massive part of that work in seconds. Try prompts like, "find disagreements across these sources." "What important details are missing?" Which source is most reliable? Compare the conclusions from all documents. Nice. Now you're not just consuming information, you're analyzing it like a professional researcher. Honestly, for students and creators, this feature alone is a complete game changer. All right, now this part feels super futuristic. First, presentations. Instead of spending hours designing slides manually, NotebookLM can automatically generate slide titles, bullet points, speaker notes, and presentation structure. So now you focus on ideas, not formatting. Huge time saver. But wait, the AI podcast feature is even cooler. NotebookLM can actually turn your notes into an audio discussion between AI hosts. Yep, like a real podcast. And the crazy part? You can interact with it. You can say, explain this more simply. Go deeper into this topic. Teach it like I'm a beginner. So instead of passive learning, it becomes interactive learning. Honestly, this feels like the future of education.
Imagine, checking your phone just 10 times a day. And having that really simple, repetitive act fundamentally rewire your emotional baseline toward anxiety and depression.
Yeah, it sounds extreme, but it's happening.
Right. So welcome to today's deep dive, where we're looking at two totally different digital environments. We have the cognitive chaos engineered by social media.
So yeah, NotebookLM is no longer just a note-taking app. It's becoming an entire AI productivity system, a research assistant, a brainstorming partner, a presentation creator, a learning coach, and honestly, one of the smartest AI tools available right now. And the people learning these workflows today are gonna move way faster than everyone else tomorrow. Because while most people are still doing everything manually, you'll already be researching, learning, and creating at an entirely different level. All right, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, because AI tools are evolving insanely fast right now. And trust me, you do not want to fall behind. And hey, which feature surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below.